Introducing the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor, the next generation technology that puts you in control of your driving safety. Safety has never looked so sexy. Using the most advanced German sensors, Zeus monitors both tire pressure and temperature in real time and sends this data to the app. Zeus is the first ever tire monitor to be able to detect slow leaks with its advanced data mining technology. This proprietary algorithm called Accurate Temp analyzes pressure and temperature data over time and alerts you to any slow leaks that other tire monitoring systems would have missed. The app report clearly pinpoints the exact tire and the rate of leakage. To make it even more versatile, we've designed it as a device that anyone can self-install. Take it with you on your next trip and easily install in just 3 steps on your rental car. When it comes to protecting your family everywhere you go, choose the next generation in safety technology. Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor by NONDA. Today's technology for yesterday's car.
DA199 IPL offers an experience unlike any other on car stereos. Get better performance from the latest Android 9.0 system, now with more apps from the Google Play Store. Comes with 2GB RAM and 16GB ROM on board. The DA199 IPL runs smoothly and allows you to navigate your favorite apps in a faster, easier, and more intelligent way. A more powerful processor which is one step ahead so that it won't slow you down. Experience incredible performance and improved power efficiency with the powerful ARM A35 chipset. Now you can keep your device running at optimal levels. With the newly designed heatsink and connectors, we have maximized the connection capabilities of this Android unit, whilst keeping the required wires simple and tidy for installation. With the more flexible automotive-grade Gorilla Glass, superior damage resistance, optical clarity and high-touch sensitivity, the DA199 IPL screen gives you more out of the content you love to watch. It supports 1080p video in almost any video format, thus providing a smoother playback. 5 different viewing angles enable you to adjust the display angle to the optimal position. With the RCA output function, DVDs and videos in USB or SD format can be played and transmitted to the rear seat monitors for your passengers, while at the same time, the head unit is navigating for the driver. Instead of fighting the temptation to use your phone whilst driving, let screen mirroring save the day. Simply connect your Android smartphone or iPhone to the head unit, and you'll be able to safely and easily access your phone's navigation, music, and other apps from it. This gives you access to a whole host of apps you use every day, in a format designed for use whilst driving. Connect your mobile phone via the built-in Bluetooth to enjoy hands-free calls, access your phone book, call logs, search contacts information, display unanswered calls, and listen to Bluetooth music. Supports various Android navigation software including iGo, Google, and more. This unit has faster LTE download speeds with the built-in Wi-Fi. This unit also accepts an external 3G, 4G dongle. Enjoy DAB radio in your car. Just connect the Extron's USB DAB radio receiver stick via the USB port. Inbuilt FM/AM tuner with RDS function. With the OBD2 TPMS function on this unit, you are able to retrieve real-time data and trouble codes from your vehicle's computer. The data obtained from your vehicle is presented in an easy-to-read format.
Introducing Fixed, the most advanced way to understand your car. Everyone fears the dreaded check engine light. That's because this light can range from over 8,000 different issues, from a loose gas cap to faulty airbags.
And with those fears comes the issue of another huge cost.
But now, there's Fixed. This little sensor uses the same technology utilized by your mechanic and sends that information directly to your phone. It's a hub for all your car needs. It takes the mystery out of the check engine light and gives you the understanding of the mechanic. You can quickly identify the severity of your problem, the consequences of driving on that problem, and resources to help. Even if you're not scanning, Fix can give you a second opinion through our certified mechanics.
Yeah, so the mechanic said it'd be around a $900 fix. What do you think? $150? Really? Huh. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Fix can actively scan to find maintenance alerts. We give you a maintenance timeline that lets you know how much you should expect to pay for each fix. And the sensors can also be linked together to give you a comprehensive view of your family's vehicles, making sure your family is safe wherever they are. Worried your vehicle's too old? Don't. Fixed works with any car made after 1996. It takes seconds to set up, and it gets to work immediately. Fix helps you save money and speaks car, so you don't have to. Get confident and get back on the road. Fix. Empower your drive. Find it at fixedapp.com.